Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap Holders? So this time this video is going very special because my friend, because the all crafter market very badly fails down, very badly dumps again my friend this time. So also the Pancakeswap it also fails down. You can see 3.37% fails down. So definitely this very my friend very small fails because a lot of tokens my friend, especially the Dogecoin and especially Shiba, SafeMoon, all is fails down 20%. So it's I can't expect this my friends today fails down, and those especially. But Pancakeswap my friend, you can see this time 3.44% only fails down. So I think this is very short fail, but a lot of holders doing this very big mistake. So therefore I make this video urgent for all of you my friend to don't do this mistake, otherwise you completely lost my brother. Don't do this, otherwise you completely lost. So the mistake is that my friends, today starting selling exactly at a bad time. If you starting at those days selling, then absolutely the price is very cheap my friend, and they cannot give you a profit my friend. They cannot give you. So kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope my friends they make a millionaire. Absolutely all holders try to understand. I hope if you wait for just an only at the end of this month, you wait for just an only my friend from August, if you wait just an only from the end of this year, I hope my friends they give you 40 to 50 USD dollar. This is possible my friends. I can't expect this today fails down in those days, but the reason is that to all capital market very badly fails down, and I'm also my friend when my mind has stopped working in those days. Kindly don't sell it, because of you starting selling, then exactly then more and more fails down. And remember to, this is not a financial video my friend. Remember, if you want to resell, if you want to buy, then buy friends. Please research personally. This is very good important. Then I just advise you my friend, kindly the decision is your my friend to sell, hold or buy, but I just advise you. This is market cap my friend 3.37% fails down just in only I think this is very short fail. Market cap you can see here 0.5357 and you can see here this time the fully diluted market cap as a 4985536 billion exactly my friends. This is all be going up. Total value locked you can see here 9 billion, and if you check out the volume, so also 598 billion my friend. 13% fails down. Oh my goodness, I can't expect this my friend. From last 24 hours you can see here the volume it falls down in last 24 hours 13.22%. Alright, so my friends, the decision is that my friends to kindly hold it, don't sell it and wait for a good time. I hope my friends they give you very good profit. So don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. And remember our brother, remember this time if you can see here they take a very long jump my friend, especially but after a long jump my friend every cryptocurrency falls down. So therefore if you can see here my friend this time they also fails down. So don't see my friend. I hope my friend after this fails they also take a good jump like previous day which they take. So kindly hold it, don't sell it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching holder. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.